In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on your PC or laptop, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. First of all, what you want to do is open Google Chrome. In the search box, what you want to write is Chrome Web. There you are, it's the first one there. So click on Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link here. In the search box, Web for Instagram, it pops up there. So Web for Instagram. So once you're on here, it'll bring up these apps. What you do is click on this one here, Web for Instagram. Once you click on that, the page turns up. It tells you a bit more about it, overview, and a little bit about privacy practices and reviews and stuff like that. Make sure you read that and you agree to that. And then what you want to do is click Add to Chrome. Once you click Add to Chrome, this pop-up will turn up, and then you want to click Add Extension. Once you've clicked Add Extension, it's going to bring it up here on the right hand side. Can you see here? You should have a puzzle, which is an extensions. If you click on the extensions, come down, it says Web Store. You want to click on the Web Store, Web for Instagram, sorry, and then this app turns up, and then only allow essential cookies. So here you are, like your mobile phone. Here's the app and the way it looks. So if you haven't already got an Instagram account, you can sign up. If not, you can click login. So if you click login, then here you can put your phone number, username, and password, and stuff like that, and then log in. I'm not going to log in for this video, but once you log in, you'll have your Instagram there. So thank you for tuning in today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Take care. Bye-bye.